can you multiply 834 and 999 within a fraction of seconds without using a calculator? It will take time, right? Same as it is, can you multiply 8655 multiplied by 99? Can you solve it in a fraction of seconds? No, right? So, what if I told you I can solve these types of problems within a fraction of seconds without using calculator? You will be surprised, right? Today, I am going to explain the multiplication of entire 9 series like 99, 999 and 4 times of 9 series within a fraction of seconds using a Vedic Maths trick. And once you learn the trick, you will never go back to your old method. Starts with the first time when 9s are equal to the number of digits. See, here also 3 digits, here also 3 digits. If I have this type, how we can apply the trick? See, here, first what you have to do, you just subtract 1 from 85. So, I get 84, right? So, write down here. Then this same 84 subtract from this 99. 84. 9 minus 4, 5. Then 9 minus 8, 1. See, this is our answer. So, our answer is 8415. Again, I will repeat. So, first, you should subtract 1 from this number, you will get 84. Then the same, what you get the resulting number, subtract from 99, you will get this answer. Then write the answer together, you will get the answer. Is it right? Yes. Same as it is, if you have a 3-digit number, means here also 3-digit, here also 3-digit. So same step, first subtract 1 from here. If you subtract 1 from here, you will get 833, right? So write here. Then same 833, you copy here. Okay, so write 833. Then subtract this from 999. 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 3, 6, 9 minus 8, 1. So write the resulting answer together. 833,166. See how amazing, within a fraction of seconds, without doing any multiplication, we are calculating. So same it will apply for 4-digit numbers also. See, here also 4-digit, here also 4-digit. Then subtract 1. If you subtract 1, what you will get it? 4533. Then subtract this number from these 4 9s. 4533 minus, you will get 9 minus 3, 6, 6, 4, then 5. So write the number together, you will get your answer. See, within a fraction of seconds, how we are multiplying the numbers like drinking a water, right? Let's move on to the type 2. So, here we have a 3-digit number, here we have a 2-digit number. We cannot play the type 1 trick. So, for this, another trick is there. So, same as it is, one little bit change, step 2. Right? So, here we have a 2-digit, here we have a 3-digit. So, in that case, how we can solve the number? Here, you just subtract step 1 as it is, as previous I said. So, 453 minus 1, 452. Then, and if you observe, we cannot subtract this number from this, right? So, for that purpose, what we do, we will place 99 as it is here. Then this will become this number. Then we will subtract this number by 452. We will get our answer. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Then it will become 4, 4. So, this is our answer. 4, 4, 8, 4, 7. Is it right? No longer method, no multiplication. Next, so multiply 8655 multiplied by 99. Here also the number of digits is more when compared to the 9 series. So you can apply the same trick. Just subtract 1 here. If you subtract 1 here, you will get 8654. And we cannot subtract this number from this. So again you will place 99 as it is. Then after placing a 99, what we have this subtracting number, again subtract that number. Means 8654. We are subtracting this subtracting number. Okay? We will get our answer. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. Then 14 minus 6, 8. Then it will become 14. 14 by 8. 14 minus 8, 6. Then this will become 5. So this is our answer. Is it right? So isn't that so quick? So the whole trick works on just 2 steps. First step, so subtract 1 from the given number. Step 2, subtract the result from the 9 series. We'll get our answer. Right? See, so friends, next time if you are multiplying with double nine, triple nine or 4 times of 9, you just apply this Vedic math trick and you can surprise your friends and surprise your family also. If you found this trick is helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family and subscribe for more math hacks like this. See you in the next video. Till then, keep calculating, keep practicing.